right. Here you go, guys. Got the 8-foot box blade. Where do you want to go here? Lot 120. Here we go. I don't know, $1,000 bill on that box blade. 1,000. There's no one that want to give a $1,000 bill. $1,000 bill. Give 500. Let them all bid. 500. Enough. 500. 500. 500. $500 bill. $500 bill. 500. Enough. 500. 2. Now 50. I got 200 in there now. 50. 50. 50. Get 50. I got 200 in there now. 50. I got 200 in there now. 50. 50. 50. Get 50. I got 200 in there now. 50. I got 200 in. You get 50. I got 200 in there now. 50. 50. 50. Get 50. I got 200 in there now. 50. Thank you. Now 3. 3. 250 in there now. 3. But enough 3. When you get 3, I got 250 in there now. 3. I got 250 in there now. 3. But enough 3. When you get 3, 250 in there now. 3. But enough 3. I got 253. Thank you. Now 50.
350.
Now 50. 350. I got 300 in there now. 50. 50. 50. Now 4. 4. I got to be 4. $400 bill. $400 bill. I got 350 in there now. 4. I got 350 in there now. 4. 350 in there now. 4. But enough 4. To get 4. I got 350 in there now. 4. 350 in there now. 4. I got 350 in there now. 4. I got 350 in there now. 4. But enough 4. To get 4. I got 350 in there now. 4. 350 in there. Get 375. And Roger, help all I can.
375.
Now 75. Nope. 375. 375. I got 350 in there now. 75. 75. I got 350 in there now. 75. I got 350 in there now. 75. 75. I got $350. 63. All right, up next. Now we got that 8-foot 3-point Kontz blade with the tilt, guys.
Tilts and angles and does everything it's supposed to do.
Do everything you want her to do right there, guys. Good old heavy blade. Here we go. What do you want to have on that piece right there, guys? To have $800 bill. $800 bill. 800. You get B. What do you mean? Now you get B. Get 500. $500 bill. $500 bill on that big blade. 500 enough. 500 enough. 500 enough. Get it. 500 enough. $500 bill. $500 bill. Give 3. Let them all bid. 300 there enough. 3 bid enough. 3 would do 3 bid enough. 3 there enough. 3 bid enough. 3. $300 bill. $300 bill. $300 bill. Give 2. 2. Where you want to go, guys? Give 100. Let them all bid. $100 bill. $100 bill. 100 in there. No, but one. Give $100 bill. $100 bill. 100 in there. One. Give $100 bill. $100 bill. Thank you. Now quarter. 100 a quarter. I got 100 in there now. 125. 125. I got 100 in there now. 125. I got 100 in there now. 125. 125. I got $100. You give me 125. 125. Thank you. Now 50. 150. 150. 150. Now 75. 175. 175. I got 150 in there now. 175. 150 in there now. 175. 175. Now 2. $200. Now quarter. 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter. I got 200 in there now. 25. 200 in there now. 25. 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 225. I got 200 in there now. 25. 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 225. Now 50. Now 50.
250.
250. Now 75. 275. 250 in there now. 75. It's not what you're spending, it's what you're saving. I got 250 in there now. 75. 75. I got 250 and you give me 275. 275. I got 250 in there now. 75. 75. I got 250 in there. You give me 275. 275. 250 in there now. 75. 75. I got 250 in there now. 75. 250 in there now. 75. What do you say? One more time. I got 250. You give me 275. 275. 250 in there now. 275. I got 250 in there now. 275, 275, I got 250, you're going to be 275. I'm going to sell it. $250 up front here.
63, isn't it?
101.
101, okay. Something like that.
All right, lot number 116, guys. We got the Oliver. We got the Oliver. 548, 6-bottom plow. 6-bottom plow.
You can take it. You can make it a 5 too if you want to, Eric. You can take one off back here.
Yep, we can definitely take one off, make it a 5. Here you go, guys. What do you want to give on the 6-bottom plow? Good old Oliver right there. Here you go. What do you want to have on that outfit right there? What do you say? Oh, and I have $500 bill, $500 bill, 500 or enough, 500 enough, 500 give me 500 enough, 500 $500 bill, $500 bill. Where do you want to go, guys? Two. $200 bill, $200 bill, 200 or enough, 2 it is, 2 or enough, 2 enough, 2 give me 2 or enough, 2 it is, 2. $200 bill, $200 bill. Give 100. 100, thank you. Now 50. I got 100 in enough, 50, 50, 50. I'm 100 in back. 50, 50. Now 200, 200. 150 in enough, 2 it is, 2 enough, 2 or enough, 2, 150 in enough, 2. I got 150 in enough, 2 enough, 2 it is, 2, 150 in enough, 2. Yep, you're in 150, got to be 2. 150, got to be 2. 150 in enough, 2 it is, 2 enough, 2. Give 175. I'll help you all I can. 150, 175. Now 2. Now 2. Yep. 2. Now 25. 225. I got 200 in there now. 225. I got 200 in there now. 25. 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 225. I got 200 in there now. 25. 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 200 in there now. 25. 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 225. I got 200 in there now. 25, 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 225. Big 6 bottom plow. I got 200. You give me 225. 225. I got 200 in there now. 25, 25. 200 in there now. 25. You're off a point, Colt. 200 in there now. 25. I got 200 in there now. 25, 25. I got 200 in. You give me 225. 225. 200 in there now. 225. I'm gonna sell it. $200 bill.
105. Thank you. 105.
All right, guys, lot 112. We got the Glencoe 3-point cultivator. Here you go, guys. 18-footer. We got the Rimlinger 3-bar harrow in the back. There you go, guys. What do you want to give on that one right there on the cultivator? Here you go. Now, ought to have $1,200 bill. $1,200 bill. $1,200 and a 12. What do you 1,200 and a 12 and a 12? You get $1,200 and a 12. What do you $1,200? $1,200. Where do you want to go, guys? Do 500. 500 on the cultivator. 500 and a 500 and a 500 and a 5. Give me 500 and a 500 and a 5. $500 bill. $500 bill. 500 and a 500 and a 5. Give me 500 and a 5. Give $300 on the cultivator. 300 and a 3. You would need 300 and a 3. Where do you want to go, guys? $300 bill. $300 bill. Just tell the ringman.
I'm gonna give 100.
There you go. Give 200. 200 on that big 3-point cultivator. What do you say? $200 bill. $200 bill. 200 and a 2. 200 and a 2. 100 now 50. I got 100 and a 50.
100 and a half.
100 and a 50. 50. 100 and a 50. 50. 50 and a 50. I got 100 and a 50. I got 100 and a 50.
guys.
50 and a 50. 100 and a 50. 100 and a 50. 50. I got 100 and a 50. I got 100 and a 50. 50. 50 and a 50. I got 100 and a 50. 100 and a 50. 50. 100 and a 50. 100 and a 50. Huh? Got a quarter. Now 50. Now 50, 150, now 75, 175, 150 in there, now 75, 75, I got 150 in there, now 75. I got 150 in there, now 75, 75, I got 150 in there, now 75, 150 in there, now 75, I got 150 in there, now 175, 175, bitch, 150 in there, now 75, 75, I got 150 in there, now 75, 150 in there, now 75, 150 in there, now 175. I'm gonna sell it, $150. Bidder number's 101. Here we go, guys. Up next, lot 114. We got the 30-foot white 227 field cultivator. Got some extra shanks in there. That's good, driver. We can get something from here. Right there, guys. Here you go with the Remlinger 3-bar flex harrow on the back. C-shank. All right. What do you want to give on that outfit, guys? Here we go. What do you want to do? What do you want to do here, guys, on that big scale white? Right there. What do you say? $2,000 bill. $2,000 bill. 2 there, not 2, 2 there, not 2, 2. Give 2,000. 2,000 on that big white. Right there. Where do you want to go? Give $1,000. $1,000 bill. 1,000. They're not going to want to give $1,000 bill. They're not going to want to give $1,000. $1,000 bill. $1,000 bill.
$1,000.
Well,
guys.
Start us out at 500 then.
500.
500. 500 on the big white. 500 there, no 500, 500, no 500, no 500, 500, no 500, $500 bill, $500 bill, 500 there, no 500, 500, no 5. 2, thank you, now 50, I got 200 in there, now 50, 50, 50, give me 50, 200 in there, now 50, I got 250, now 3, 3, 3, give me 3, now 50, 350, 350, I got 300, you give me 50, I got 350 with you, 350, now 4, 4, 4, you give me 4, 350 in there, now 400, 400, now 50. 450, 450. I got 400 in there now, 50, 50, 50, give me 50, 400, you give me 50. I got 400 in there now, 50, 50, 50, give me 50, 400, you give me 50, 450, 450. Thank you, now 5, 5, 5, give me 5. You didn't make your call. I got 450 on the floor, you give me 500. 500 internet. 450 in there now, 5, I got 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5, 5 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5. $500 bill, $500 bill. I got 450 in there now, 5 in there, 5, give me 5 in there now, 5, I got 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5, 500, 500. Better pieces of equipment than that, guys. I
got the hair on the back.
Not even. Not even.
450 in there now, 5,
not even close.
450 in there now, 5, I got 450 in there now, 5, I got 450 in there now, 500. 500. Cole, what's the internet say? I got 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5, I got 450 in there now, 500, 500, 500, I got 450, get 5, 450 in there now, 500, 500. Well, if you guys are done, so am I. I got 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 5, 450 in there now, 500.
Yep.
Now 50.
550.
Now 550. Now 550. I got 500, you get me 50. 500 in there, now 50. 500 in there, now 50, 50, 525. Now 50, now 50. Lucas.
550.
I got 525 in there, now 50, 50, 50, get me 50. I got 525 in there, now 50. I got 525 in there, now 50, 50, 50, get me 50. 525 in there, now 50. I got 525 in there, now 50, 50, 50, get me 50. I got 525, you get me 550, 550, 550. What do they say, Lucas? 525 in there, now 50, 50, 50, get me 50. 525 in there, now 50. I got 525 in there, now 50, 50, 50, get me 50. I got 525, you get me 50, 50, 50, 550. Sold it. 525. Fish got that one.
51.
All right, lot 113, guys. It's a 14-foot international 315 cultivator. There you go, guys. What do you want to give her on the cultivator? Right there, guys. Handy, handy, handy. You ought to have $800 bill. $800 bill. 830. What do you mean 30? You give me, what do you mean 800? 800, 800, 800. What do you mean 38? Sort them out of pot. $500. Good old cultivator there. $500 bill. 500 up in the 500 up in the 5. Give me 500 up in the 5. Give me $500 bill. $500 bill. Give me 200. Let them all.
Two, guys.
200. 200 on the cultivator. 200. Not 200. 200. Not 200. Not 200. 200. Not 200. $200 bill. $200 bill. Give 100. Give 100. $100 bill. 100 in there, no one, give a $100 bill. Thank you, now 50. I got 100 in there, now 50, 50, 50, give me 50, now 2, 2, 2, give me 2. 200, now 50, now 50. 200 in there, now 50, 250, 3, 3, 3, give me 3,
300.
$300 bill, now 50, 350, 350. I got 300 in there, now 50, 50, 50, give me 50. I got 300 in there, now 50. I got 300 in there, now 50, 50, 50, give me 50. I got 300 in there, now 50, 300 in there, now 50, now 50,
350.
50, 50, give me 50. I got 300, give me 50. Give a quarter, help you all I can. 300, now 325, 325.
Yep.
325, now 50, 350, 350, 350, 350, now 75, 375, 350 in there, now 75, 75, I got 350 in there, now 75. I got 350 in there, now 75, 75, I got 350 in there, now 75, 350 in there, now 75. 350 in there, now 75, 75, Cole, you got anybody? 350 in there, now 75, 75, 350 in there, now 375. I'm gonna sell it, $350, same way, 51, 51. Alright, Buck 115, guys, is for white. White, 271 disc, guys, 24 footer. Got the rock flex, hydraulic fold, got the 1-bar harrow, 9-inch spacing, guys, got 16-inch blades. Look at you right there. Here you go, guys. Nice little outfit there. Alright, on the white disc. What do you want to give here, guys? Here we go. Ought to have $2,000. $2,000. Nice outfit there, too. When you get $2,000, $2,000. $2,000. $2,000. Give $1,000. Give $1,000. You guys start them out. $1,000 is there on the one to give a $1,000 bill. $1,000 bill. $1,000 bill. It won't be long. You're gonna be needing that. $1,000 bill. There on the one. There on the one to give a $1,000 bill. $1,000 bill. Give 500. Let them all play.
500.
500. 500. 500, you got 500, now 750. I got 500 in there, now 750. We did 750. I got 500 in there, now 750. I got 500 in there, now 750. 750, 750. I got 500 in there, now 750. I got 500 in there, now 750. We did 750. Give 600 in. Go do a hard way. Now 7. Now 7. Now 8. 8, 9, 9, 9. You're gonna be 900. Now 1,000. Now 1,000. Now 11. 1100. 1100. I got 1,000 in there. 11. I got 1,000 in there. $100. Now 12. 12. 12. You gotta be 12. I got 1,100 in, you gotta be 12, but now 12, you gotta be 12, but now 12, I got 1,100 in, you gotta be 12. $1,200, what's your man say, Dave? I got 1,100, now 12, but now 12, you gotta be 12, I got 1,100 in there, now 12. I got 1,100 in there, now 12, but now 12, you gotta be 12, but now 12, we do $1,200. $1,200. I got 1,100, you gotta be 12. $1,200. $1,200. What do you say, Fish? I got 1,100, you gotta be 12.
Wow.
I got 1,100 in there, now 12, but now 12, you gotta be 12, 1,100 in there, now 12. I got 1,100 in there, now 12, but now 12, you gotta be 12, but now 12, we do 12, I got 1,100 in there, now 12. Right? I got 11, you gotta be 1150, 1150, 1150. I got 1,100 down, you gotta be 1150. I got 1,100 in there, now 50, 50, 50, you gotta be 50, 1,100 in, you gotta be 1150. I got 1,100 down, you gotta be 1,200. 1,200. 1,200. 1,200. Nice piece of equipment right there. $1,200 bill. Look at them blades. $1,200 bill. I got 1150 in there, not 12. You give me 12 in there, not 12, but not 12. 1150 in there, not 12. I got 1150 in there, not 12. $1,200. Now 50. Now 50. Now 50. 1250. I got 1,200 in there, not 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 1,200. Give me 1250. 1250. 1250. Dave. I got 1,200 in there, not 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. 1250. 1250. I got 1,200 in there, not 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 1,200 down. You give me 1250. What do you say? 1,200 in there, not 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 1,200 and you
106. Yep, 106.
106, fire 106. There you go, guys. Right there. Lot 118. We got the Remlinger RTC-600, 24 foot wide with the Danish tines and the rear packer. Here we go here, guys. Where do you want to go there? Where do you want to go here, guys? Here we go. Ought to have $3,000 on the big Remlinger. Three, what do you get? Three, there enough, three, enough, three, what do you get? $3,000. $3,000. Three, what do you get? Three, there enough, three, enough, three, there enough, three. Where do you want to go, guys? Give $1,000.
$1,000 bucks.
$1,000 bill. $1,000 bill. $1,000. Give me one, give $1,000. $1,000 bill. $1,000 bill. Give 500. Sort them out. 500. $500 bill. 500 on the Rimlinger. 500. Nobody. 500. Enough. 500. Enough. 500. Enough. 500 $500 bill. $500 bill. 500 enough. 500 enough. 500 enough. Give me 500 enough. 300. Now 50. 300 now 50. What do you 50? I got 300 in there. Now 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 300 in there. Now 50. I got 300. You give me 50. Now 4. 4. 4. Give me 4. 3. 4. Now 50. Now 50. 450. I got 400 in there. Now 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 400. You give me 50. I got 400 out back. You give me 50. 450. 450. 400. You give me 50. I got 400 in there. Now 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 400 in there. You give me 50. I got 400 in there. Now 50. 50. 50. Give me 50. I got 4. You give me 50. 450. 450. 450. 450. Now 5. 5. 5. Now 50. 500. You give me 50. I got 550. Give me 6. What is 6? Now 6. What is 6? Dave. 6. 6. 6. Now 50. Now 50. 600 in there. Now 50. 50. 50. You give me 7. There. Now 7. When you 7. 650. You give me 7. Now 50. Now 50. 50. 750.
750.
I got 700 back. You get 850. 750. 750. Now 8. $800 bill. Now 50. 850. 850. I got 850. Now 999. You got me 9. Now 50. Now 50. 950. 950. Now 1,000. 1,000. Then 50. 1050. 1050. I got 1,000 over there. Give me 1050. 1050. Now 11. 1100. Now 50. 1150. 1150. I got 1150. Now 12. 12. 12. You got me 12. Now 50. Now 50. Now 50. 1250. I got 1250. 1250. I got 1200 there. Now 50. 50. 50. 50. I got 1200. You got me 50. 1250. Now 13. 13. Now 50. Now 50. I got 1300. You got me 50 there. Now 50. 13. 50. 13. 50. Now 14. 14. Dave. Now 15. 15. 15. Now 16, Dave. 16. Now 17. 17. They give me 17. Now 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. You give me 1900. 1900. Now 2000. 2000. 1900. And then now 2. And then now 2. And then 2. 1,000. 21. 21. Now 2. 22. 21 in there, not 2, and then 2, and then 2, 21 in there, not 2, and then 2, 2100, and you give me 2. I got 2100 in there, not 2, but not 2, and you get 2, 21 in there, not 2, but not 2, 21, you give me 2. I got 2100 down, you give me 22, 22, 22, asking 2200, I got 2100 down, 20, give me 2200, 2200. I got 21 there, and you give me 2, but not 2, there, not 2, 21 over there, you give me 2. I got 21 in there, not 2, and then 2.
22.
Else, guys, I got 2100 in there, not 2, but not 2, there, not 2, and then 2, 2100, and you give me 2200, Cole. 2200. 22, now 3. 23, 22, 23, 24, 24, Dave, 24. I gave you 2400, you gave me 24, I got 23 over here, you give me 24. 2300 in there, not
24, guys.
2400, 2400, I got 23, give me 4. 23 in there, not open the 4 to get 2400, 2400, I got 2300 down, asking 24. 24, 24, 23 in there, not 24, give me 24, there, not 24, but then 24, you get 2400, 2400. I got 23, 2400 on once. I got 2300 over here, you give me 24, 24, 24, you give me 2400, what do you say? 2400
24, guys.
23 in there, you give me 24, 24, 2400. I'm going to sell 2300, 2300. 30, 30. All right, guys, that's good, driver. We get a couple from here. Lot 117, we got the 24-foot Great Plains. Hey, solid stand drill with markers, guys. You got the press wheels. You got the cart. You got 7.5-inch spacing, guys. There you go, guys, on the big Great Plains. What do you want to give here? Here we go, guys. What do you want to give on that one right there? Get $5,000 bill. $5,000 bill. $5. What do you get? $500 enough? $500 enough? $500 enough? I give you $5. $5,000. $5,000.
$5,000.
Give 2. Let them all play. $2,000 bill. 2 there, not 2 it is. 2 there, not 2 it is. 2 there, not 2 it is. $2,000. $2,000. Get 1,000 on that big Great Plains. $1,000 bucks, guys. A lot of steel right there. 1,000. Now off? What do you got? 1250. I got 1,000 in 1250. What do you got? 1250. I got 1250. Now 50, 1750. Now two. $2,000. 2250. 2250. I got two. Are you gonna be 2250? What do you 2250? 21, 22, 22, 22. Now three, 23. Now 4, 24, 24, 5. 2,500. 2,500, 2,500, 2,400 enough. How many if I got 2,400 enough? How many if I got 2,400? You gotta be 2,500, 2,500. I got 2,400 enough. How many if I got 2,400 enough? How many if I got 2,400 enough? How many if I got 24? You gotta be 2,500, 2,500, 2,400 enough. How many if I got 2,400 enough? 24. You get over here. You gotta be 2,500, 2,500. 2,500, guys, a better piece of equipment to that. 2,400 in there enough. I would 25. I got 2,400 in there enough. 25. 2,500. 2,500. I got 2,400 enough. I would 2,400 enough. I would 2,400 enough. I would 2,400. You give me 2,500. I'm gonna sell it. 2,400.
106.
106. 106. Alright guys, this piece is offline. Offline on this piece. We got this big old harrow right there. 2-section harrow. Here you go. That's the next piece we're selling it all right there. Where do you want to go there on the harrow, guys? Who get $500 bill? 500 enough. I'll get 500 enough. 500 enough. I give me 500 enough. I get $200 bill on the harrow. 200 enough. 200 enough. 200 bill. $200 bill. $200 bill. Still works great for dragging driveways. Look around. $200 bill. Give 100. $100 bill on the harrow. $100 bill. Give $100 bill. Give 100. Give 50.
50 bucks.
$50 bill. 25. I got 50. 75.
There you go. 75.
I got 50. I got 50. I got 50. 75. Now 100. Give me $1. Give $100 bill. $100 bill. I got 75 in there. $1. I got 75. You got to be one. 75 in there. $1. Give $100 bill. I got 75. There. You got to be 100.
100 guys.
I got 75. You got to be 100. You got to be 100 on that big harrow. I got 75 in there. $1. I got 75 in there. $1. I got 75. You got to be 1.
$100.
75. You got to be 100. 75 in there. $1. I got 75. And you got to be 1. I got 75. And you got to be 100. I'll sell it. $75.
13.
13.